Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse. Now I'm going to show you a wig that is strictly lace front only. And the gals that really like this are the ones that don't wear a bang. Now I'm going to slip this wig and the rest of it in the back here is machine made. I'm going to put this on this mannequin head so you can see what I'm talking about. So this here, when they have this on, obviously this slips around a little bit on this plastic head, but they can pull their bang back. I'm going to go to this side so that I can show you. So if they didn't want anybody to see them wearing, or you know, it looked like it was coming out of their head, you know, they can pull this hair back. That's what the lace front allows you to do. So you don't have to wear, you can just wear a long bang. And as I said before, if you're going to be wearing bangs and you want them cut short, then you're kind of paying for a feature you really don't need. A machine-made wig would work perfect for the gals that like bangs. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And visit our other videos, please. Thank you.